Anything that unlocks B2B at scale is going to be a fantastic driver for companies that have decided to use Shopify for D2C, but have been cautious around the B2B operation.
I think at this point, the brands that are going to see the most success going forward are brands that are going to be able to take advantage creatively of AI sooner than later. So Sidekick is, one example of that.
Customer account extensions and the ability, like for instance, like our app to be able to do upsells post-purchase, like to be able to drive revenue after an order has been placed. And in the process of even like editing or updating orders, you have the opportunity to like add something to your cart. It's pretty amazing.
I think it's going to be the B2B features. Yeah, and the combination with markets, this is going to be awesome. Like there's a lot of things we can do in Europe with B2B and markets since everything changes.
I mean, obviously, like Sidekick could be really interesting because it's going to allow brands to really dig into data more, to ask questions really easily without requiring specialist technology. So for us, it's about how can we weave in the loyalty program, the reward program in that so the brands can really develop out their program easily.
Sidekick is really going to change the way that merchants interact with the admin and how they built their store. We shipped a lot of things in Sidekick already, but there's a lot more to come.
Kind of a boring one, but I would say like the performance improvements overall with the way themes are created and particularly in the checkout, that's a no-brainer for driving revenue.
The AI being able to actually adapt and actually there's something where you can screen share. I'm also super intrigued by the front end piece of it. A user being able to go and actually completely changing the way someone searches for a product on a site. If someone has a lot of SKUs, being able to go, the future of someone going on and saying, hey, I want a pair of jeans, I'm a 5'10" kind of dad bod looking guy, like I want to spend under $100, like here's my card, buy it and ship it to me. Like there's some cool stuff, sort of mimicking a personal shopper kind of thing without the need for humans.
Again, I really do think that just the way that they're optimizing the entire platform experience, they're making it a lot easier, a lot more digestible. I think it's very easy for us to focus on big, large logos, but at its core, Shopify is designed for the people that are building out of their kitchens, out of their garages. They're creating serious results, but making the user experience not so serious,